Hi, in this video I'm going to share some information about the retro game loaded SD card that you can get with your Android TV box, how to use it, how it all works, etc. So when you first get a TV box with the SD card or with the retro game loaded SD card, it's going to come fully inserted into the side of the box. You can see it there. If you want to pop it out, what you do is just push on it. It's spring loaded. And now you can see it's partially out. If you're going to be using your TV box in TV box mode, this is how you'd want to use it. And I would recommend leaving the SD card in the slot like that so you don't lose it. Now, if you want to play game mode, what you're going to do is push that card in, and it's spring loaded, so it can take a couple pushes before it catches. So it's back in flush to the TV box, and we're going to go ahead and plug this box in. One thing that's really important to know is you should never take the SD card in or out while the TV box has power. So if you want to pop the SD card out or you want to push it in, unplug the TV box first. So when the TV box first starts in game mode, this is how it's going to start. If you bought the package from us, then you've got the controllers from us, and we've already pre-configured them. But if you want to use other controllers or something's gone wrong and you need to reconfigure your controllers, I'll go over how to do that. So these are the SNES style controllers we use. They've got the USB plugins on them. And so you're going to plug that into the USB ports that are on the side of the TV box. The port that is closest to the front of the TV box is the Player One Boss port. So we're going to plug that one in first. And then, like I said, the controllers will be pre-configured. When you first get into the games, what you're going to do to get the controller started up is just press A. That wakes everything up, and then you can go through the different menus. If you need to reconfigure your controller, there are instructions for that on our website. It's pretty easy to do, and they just walk you through that. And basically, just remember that the controller that's plugged into the port closest to the front of the TV box is Player One. So that will be the controller that gets you in and out of games. Now I'll do a little bit of gameplay. So I'm just going to go over to something I know. I'm going to go to Super Nintendo. And I'm going to press A. A is like enter. And I'm going to scroll to the side to Super Mario, something I know. If you hold down one of the arrow buttons, it'll go faster through the menus. Here we go. So I want Super Mario World. I'm going to press A to open that one. There's going to be a couple of games in here, so I'm going to choose the one I want. So I'm going to press start and then start. And then I can go ahead and play the game. Now if you want to exit out, again, you need to use the Player One controller, which is the one in the port closest to the front of the TV box. You press start and select together at the same time twice, and that will exit you back out to the main screen. If you want to move back to TV box mode, what you're going to do is first unplug the TV box and then pop out the SD card like I showed, and you'll be in TV box mode. And that's all you need to know. Thanks.